Success is around the corner, affiliate marketing advice that works. Running into a traffic jam on your way home from work can be a real pain in the you-know-what, but running into a traffic jam while you're actually at work is the best thing that could happen to you. Well, that is, if your job is an affiliate marketer. Watch this video for helpful information on how you can become a successful affiliate. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Examine each affiliate separately to determine which ones are the most profitable, and eliminate any that aren't generating a decent profit. Make sure you thoroughly review your affiliates' performance. If you remove affiliates that are not performing up to standards, then you gain room for new advertisers that can bring in more revenue. Many people spend hours on the internet. They usually come across many advertisements per day, and will pay attention to the ones that are relevant to their lives. Putting an advertisement for your company on the internet is a sure way to make sure that hundreds of people will see it each and every day. Using videos to help promote your affiliate service is a great way to increase traffic. It's not really hard work either. All you need is to shoot a single video, and then you can post it on countless viral sites, send it via email, and spread the word all over the net. A little bit of work goes a long way with video marketing. Focus on the sell-through, not just the number of clicks. Remember, affiliate marketing is not about the number of page views, it's about the number of people who follow through and buy. Just bringing someone to a page won't make you any money, so make sure the customer has a reason to want to buy what you are offering. Post testimonials about your product or service on your website. Testimonials help to build trust, as they tend to help alleviate risk for a potential buyer. When a potential customer reads of another person's successes with your product, they will be apt to envision themselves in that person's shoes and become more likely to make the purchase. Find out the exact location of what is driving your readers to click on your affiliate links. Is it the links within your content or your sidebar? Did it come from a video you posted or a review of a product? When you discover what is driving the traffic, focus on that content. If you get enough traffic and push it toward purchasing any product, you can become a very successful affiliate marketer. It's not going to be an easy job by any stretch, especially when starting out. Just use the information you learned here to help pave your road. Eventually, you will start to build traffic and start to earn commissions. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.